Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today it's a different video. I'm going to make a wall hang out of a wheel cap. The things we need are glass cutter, brush, water paint, marker, beads, glass, enamel paint, glue and a wheel cap. So let's get started. I have painted the cap white and I'm going to paint some leaves on it. Now I am cutting some glass into small pieces to place into the inner part of cap. Placing a paper to cover the space and will decorate it with some beads. This is my old project and I will make similar to this one. So here's the final look. I hope you liked it. See you in my next video. Bye bye.